Everyone, have you ever wondered how to talk about your daily routine, ongoing actions, or past experience that still matter today? Well, you are in the right place. Today we will explore all four tenses with simple explanation and real life examples. Let's get started. One is present simple tense, used for habits, facts, and routine. Examples are there. The sunrise in the east. It is your fact. Wake up at 6 a.m. every day. It is your routine. She teaches English at a school. It is your general truth. Formula of affirmative sentences. Subject plus V1 S and ES plus object. Examples like she teaches English every day. Of negative sentences is subject plus do does not plus V1 plus object. Examples he does not like coffee. Formula of interrogative sentence do does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Like do you understand this topic? It is your interrogative sentences. We know that with the plural noun we use do and with the singular nouns we use does. Tell me what is your daily routine? Comment below. Okay? Reason for you. Fill in the blanks. He blank drink tea every morning. So please tell me what should we use here? Drinks and drink. Next one is they blank not go to school on Sunday. What should we use here? Do or does? Present continuous tense used for action happening now or future plans. Examples are I am teaching English right now. Happening. Action. Second one is she is watching a movie. Ongoing action. And third one is we are visiting grandma tomorrow. Planned. Future action. Okay. Of affirmative sentences. Subject plus is MR plus verb ing plus object. Some examples like she is reading a book now. Negative sentences. Subject plus is MR plus not verb ing plus object. Examples they are not watching TV. Interrogative sentences is MR plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Of interrogative sentences is MR plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. Examples like are you listening to me? It is also a present continuous tense. You can take another examples of present continuous tense like I am recording this video right now. It is your present continuous tense examples. He is watching mobile phone. It's also a present continuous tense. Some quiz for you. I blank study for my exams right now. What should we use here? With the I, am, is, are. What should we use here? Please tell me. Next one is C, blank, not watching TV at the moment. All the things comment below. Is present perfect tense, used for life experience, completed actions, and with present relevance. Some examples are there. I have visited Paris twice. It is your life experience. She has finished her homework. Completed action. They have lived here for 5 years. Past to present. It is related to present actions. That's the reason we use present perfect tense. Of affirmative sentences, subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. Some examples we can take also like she has finished her homework. Next one is negative, subject plus has, have plus not plus V3 plus object. Examples I have not visited London. Third one is interrogative sentences, has, have plus subject plus V3 plus object. Have you ever tried momos? So we know that with the singular noun we use has and with the plural noun we use have. Now tell me, have you ever traveled abroad? Let me know in the comment quiz and write it comment below. Of affirmative sentences, subject plus has have plus been plus ing plus object. Example, she has been studying for 3 hours. Formula of negative sentence, subject plus has have not been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. They have not been sleeping well. Formula of interrogative sentence, has have plus subject been plus v1 plus ing plus object. Been waiting for long? Now, what about you? Have you ever studied for hour like this? How long do you usually study in a day? Let me know in the comments. Solve this quiz also and let me know in the comment. After that, recap and comparing all 4 tenses. First is present simple. Present simple talk about your daily routines, facts like she teaches English. Next one is present continuous. It talks about your actions happening now, right? Like I am teaching you right now and I am talking to you right now. It is your happening actions. Next one is present perfect. It is talk about your past action with relevance your present actions. So examples, I have finished my work. Next one is present perfect continuous tense. Action is started in past, still happening. Like he has been working here for 5 years. Fill in the blanks and comment below. You know all 4 present tenses. Try using them in your daily conversation. Comment below with an example sentences and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Till then, bye and keep learning. Take care of yourself. Bye.